Alright, so here's how I turned this drum kit into this generative glitch machine. First of all, I'm grabbing an arpeggiator and mapping the rate and style to macros so I can just have it generate a bunch of random patterns. Then I'm adding a delay with the feedback turned way up and modulating it with an LFO. And I'm also mapping the delay's own internal filter and modulation parameters to macros as well. Then I'm using a noise vocoder to add a bunch of texture which I can shape using the envelope parameters. By modulating the formant parameters super quickly, I'm just adding an extra bunch of weirdness on top of that. And then a phaser just makes it all sound super spacey and immersive. Next, it's time to add retune for color, hybrid reverb for that magic touch, and ruina for that nasty bit of crumbs on top. Now I can just kind of play around with the macros until I dial in a sound that I like, and once I do, I can just save it as a variation and keep trying stuff out. I ultimately ended up with 3 separate instrument tracks, each with its own set of macros. And now I'm having way too much fun just hitting randomize on each of them and just kind of seeing what happens. Now, if you want to try it out, maybe on some other drum kits and maybe make your own presets for it, guess what? You can! This track, as well as all of the other resources I've created and showcased in my videos, are available on my Patreon right now. Check my bio, make some noises, be creative. Goodbye.